This morning we left at 7:30. We're on the Ayre Highway, which will take us right across the Nullarbor for the next 3 days to Norseman. We left 7:30. We should get to Ceduna early afternoon, which will be very nice. Good place to stop.
Kings go 28, 30 for Lake Creek, 31 for Ridge, also 31, 30 for Newry, going to 32 in Port Augusta, 26 for Lincoln, Port Pirie 32, over at Renmark, some rain developing in the east as well, 27, 33 Roxby down, Victor Harbour 26, 31 for Whyalla, Auckland 32, and Woodland 33, fine and sunny, Adelaide 30 degrees, fine, mostly sunny. Let's go to Kieran. We now Kieran, good morning. Very good morning.
Have you ever caught a big snapper? I was just hearing Lucas Walton talking about the big snapper competition over in Whyalla.
Not the big red snapper.
It's now 8 o'clock in the morning, and we've just turned right on the Ayre Highway. This will be the last right or left turn now for about 450 kilometres till we get to Ceduna. We're now retracing our route, which we first set off 101 days ago. It's nice to be heading back in the morning sun. Coming into Iron Knob.
Serious charges. Seen her face many years in prison. Miss Perez was a girlfriend of Major Alfredo Renado.
That said, I think the issue of trust is going to be important in this election.
The
because
size of this thing coming. Whoa.
Makes sense, because if you're actually funding hospitals without primary care, if putting more money into primary care means less people in hospital, it means everybody.
That's what John Hill is saying. He's saying if this
Is that there's an overemphasis on Indigenous culture and heritage at the expense of the foundation.
We're now in Kimba, and we're stopping for smoker at the bakery. A nice traditional meat pie. All these bikes on the road are going to Albany for the AGM of the Ulysses Club, and it's made it quite an interesting return for us because there's so many different kinds of bikes. We've seen sidecars and trikes and all sorts.